Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 3 crashing. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. First you will need to make sure that you have the latest updates for your Windows, and then just go back, click here and then type Game Mode Settings. Now turn on this option, go to captures, turn off those two options, go to Xbox Game Bar, turn it off, go to graphics settings and then turn on hardware accelerated, click here and then go to GeForce Experience, then go to drivers, check for updates, make sure to install the latest update that you can find, and then go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling. After that your problem must be fixed, and that's it. Just restart your computer and try again, and see you in the next video.